Welcome back, guys and girls. Well, I've had some comments asking about more videos on the old Ford 4000. Now, if you'll notice, this is a 4-cylinder. So this is I think it's a 172 engine. It's not a diesel. And there are, from what I'm being told, a lot of differences between the 4-cylinders and the 3-cylinders in the 4000s. So this is only for 4-cylinder Ford 4000s. And then it still may be different. And what we're talking about today is the power steering pump. This is a belt drive power steering pump. As you can see, there's no belt. There is a reason for that. So, but in taking this off, I'm going to drain the fluid and stuff. And I was asked by one commenter, where do you add the fluid? Right there. So you take this clamp loose, you pop this clamp off, band clamp, and then this lid comes off, and there's a cork gasket underneath on this one anyway. That's where your filter is, and that's where you put the fluid in. And we use regular power steering fluid in these. That's, from my research, that's fine to use. But anyway, that's where your filter is located and where you put the fluid. Now I'm gonna take this cover off to show you one more thing. So once you have the bolt out, you just open this up. It's hinged on this one. Lay it out of the way. Your top just pops off. Oh, I lied to you. This one's been replaced. It does not have the cork gasket. And this one's in need of replacement anyway. So right there is your fuel filter. And if you'll notice, this one's loose. It's not supposed to be that way. Oh, I said fuel filter, didn't I? It's Sunday and it's already been a long week. But anyway, there's how your filter goes down in. It sits in this cup. You push this down in and it locks, and that holds it in place. Now, apparently this one's popped loose. But anyway, as this is all sitting in here correctly, and I'm gonna just try to put it back in place to just show you. And it's gonna fight me the whole way. As it is all sitting in here correctly, it sits like that, right there. And as you can see, it's tilted. Okay, so there's a lot of debate and questioning on how full do you fill this reservoir. And I've heard I've read discussions of people saying that their power steering fluid is frothing and foaming. And so, I don't know if you can see where my finger is down in there? That's the bottom of the filter. So if you just imagine that you don't have a lot of fluid in here and you're driving on an incline so that this side of the engine is downhill, well, you can suck air into this filter. And that's where you can get your foaming and everything. You can also get it on leaky seals or hoses. So it seems like when we fill it halfway up your reservoir body, it seems to work pretty good. You need room for expansion. But obviously this one needs some work, so I'm gonna pull it off, see what I can find. These are $389 plus tax and shipping. So I'm gonna try to fix this one. If I can't fix this one, I have one off of a mid-80s GM 4-cylinder car that I have modified, and I'm gonna try to make it work. So, thanks for watching, guys.